Welcome to Riverstone Training's YouTube Shorts. Today, we'll discuss saving and investing for beginners. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Start saving. Building a solid financial foundation begins with setting aside a portion of your income in a savings account. This serves as your financial safety net. Step 2. Create a budget. Keep track of your earnings and outgoing costs to find areas where you might make savings. Allocate funds towards your savings goals to stay on track. Step 3. Understand the basics of investing. Research different investment options like stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Select investments that are consistent with your risk appetite and financial objectives. Step 4. Diversify your portfolio. To allow risk, diversify your investments across various asset classes. By doing so, if one investment underperforms, others may compensate. Step 5. Seek professional advice. A financial advisor can provide valuable guidance and help you make informed investment decisions based on your unique circumstances. Step 6. Stay committed and be patient. Investing is a long-term endeavor. Don't let short-term market fluctuations discourage you. Stay focused on your goals and let your investments grow over time. Step 7. Visualize your dreams. Use your investments to work towards your long-term goals, whether it's buying a house, traveling, or retiring comfortably. Remember, saving and investing are essential for financial success. Start today, remain disciplined, and watch your money grow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Riverstone Training for more valuable financial tips. Happy saving and investing!